Barbie sa testicle, and I believe ang tawag sa pera ay Barbie's Angstin. Pwede pa rin kuminis. And I do. Sa papaya lotion. Dahil 750 pesos SRP lang, di na ang papaya enzymes niya. Affordable skincare, di ba? Kaya kung bet mo ay inis na lips, sa papaya lotion kumake with regular use. Slay it with the skin again. Stay lit with Sitka with regular use for only 750 pesos SRP. Stay lit with the #1 whitening lotion based on retail market with regular use. Silky papaya lotion, 750 pesos SRP left for sachet. Romance. Actually, Everest Smart TV on. Come on, Everest TV show with guys, I know, basta we watch this together. Everest Smart TV, healthy relationships. Ever best from Everest. When you open the doors of the unique custom, you also open your life up to more priceless moments. When you step into its spacious cabin and sit on its VIP captain seats, you step into a world of comfort and ease. And when your family feels safe because of Hyundai Smart Centers, they also feel your warmth and protection. Experience exception with a Hyundai Custom. To learn more, visit Hyundai.com/ph or any Hyundai dealer near you. Hyundai Custom. Experience exceptional. With a 107.5. Wish, 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 175. I don't wish you. Wish, 175. You're listening to the Morning Wish on Wish 175. Right, the Morning Wish right here, a holiday for you, and let's have a round of holiday decoration for those celebrating today's 3rd of December. That's right. And shout out to my dad and mom, my all right, so we got from our very own DMVIP, our PPC CTGI family of wishers today. 7th anniversary for Sis Nano, Sis John Nano, there you go, and Sis Noemi Bernardo. So happy 7th anniversary to you both.